You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. A word from French originally. It can also be a name in different languages. The French pronunciation, it means an angel. That's the meaning angel in French. Ange. 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 How to pronounce ange? In English, you can say it as ange, or in some languages, like Norse languages, Swedish, Norwegian, German, can also be pronounced as ange, ange, or ange. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.